have the absolute easiest recipe for you. Put 1 scoop of ice cream, vanilla ice cream, into a cup. Top it with fresh pressed cider. I am gonna tell you, it is delicious. And I won't be the one to say no if you wanted to put a little spike in it. And maybe you're gonna put a little bit of Fireball in there so that you can have a spiked float. But this, my friends, is what you are gonna wanna serve at all of your fall Halloween festivities. 2 things, no baking. All you have to do is apple cider and a little bit of vanilla ice cream. It is the tastiest. Cheers, cheers to fall. I think you're gonna love this so much. I'm actually getting pictures of it, which is very hard to get pictures of ice cream. And I'm gonna put it on the blog because here's the thing is that you could actually use think of all the different caramel types of ice cream. Excuse me, we have to get photos. You could put caramel ice cream in it. Sky's the limit. Have fun making your own fall float. And I want to know, what do you add to your float? Let's get creative and let's see how much fun we can have with apple cider and ice cream making floats.